Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys video assistant guys, how can we on. Friends, we want to own Infinix on my phone video assistant. So friend, how can we own today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, first of all open guys your phone setting to on guys your video assistant setting. After phone setting, I there is video assistant setting guys. So friends, you can find in guys your phone special function guys. Tap here video assistant guys. We will tap here friends. You can see video assistant improve the video views experiences. So guys, we will on from here, and guys you can use guys your available apps. Google TV guys you can on and off, and guys player, and guys YouTube guys you can on and off your add other apps guys you want to add. So guys you can see guys the photos guys you can on and off from here. This video assistant features guys you can use and you can on it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. And once you want to off it, so once you can off from again here, you want to off, so you can off. So bye guys.